Hi, I'm Mrs. Bright. I'm a first grade teacher at McDowell Elementary, and today I'm going to talk to you about vocabulary in first grade and representing equations and numbers in different ways. So I'm going to start out with one of our vocabulary groupings, and that's equation, number bundle, and number sentence. We use these phrases interchangeably throughout the year, and the word that we know most is equation. So I'm going to write an equation in our blanks above. 6 plus 4 equals 10. When we ask the students to write an equation using the numbers we give them, this is what we expect to see. Often we'll ask students to also show us these numbers using a number bond. This is an example of what we expect to see when we say number bond. Now, a number bond starts with your whole number and it shows how it's broken into parts. Our whole number in this equation is 10. So this is where my whole number goes. The two parts that get us to our whole number are 6 and 4. And that's how we use a number bond. We also use 10 frames in first grade to help us represent numbers. So if I was representing this equation in a 10 frame, it would look like this. My first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my first part from my equation. My second part number is 4. I would represent that a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shows me my whole number. My entire 10 frame is filled out, so I know I have 10. Often we will use 10 frames without using all 10 boxes to represent other numbers, but in this case, we filled in all 10, our whole number is 10. Lastly, we use the number line to help us understand equations like this in first grade. My first part is the 6. We're going to count how many hops it takes to get from 6. We're going to count our hops with 6 and adding 4 hops. So I'm starting at 6 and I'm counting 4 hops. 1, that's 1 hop. 2, 3, 4. Notice that my marker hopped like a bunny. That's what we call it at the beginning of first grade. My bunny landed on number 10. So I know that 6 plus 4 hops equals 10. Those are all the ways that we represent equations in first grade.